there, and Namaste. My name is Namadi, and I'm a software engineer at Microsoft. There is a webinar organized by IT department, and during this webinar, I'll be talking you through how to put yourself in the right position so that you can start a career in the tech industry after graduation. I can remember when I was in college about 3 years ago, there were so many decisions that I was extremely delighted that I took those decisions. For example, I spent so many of my extra time going through the data structure classes materials and the algorithm classes materials that I was taking back then. So these are some of the things we'll be covering. There's some like the skill set that you should make sure that you have a solid foundation on, depending on the kind of domain you wanted to sort of go into after graduation. So see you at the webinar.